Coach Aaron Good. We're back from the pause and we are ready for the big match against Petrarca. How are the boys doing?
Yeah, guys are good. They had a good sort of rest week last week. It came at a good time, I think, in some ways, because it just gave the players a chance to freshen up physically and mentally, and so they sort of turned back to training this week full of energy, but knowing that there's a big game coming up this Sunday. But on the other hand, it would have been nice to keep going, keep the momentum going, but it is what it is, and we've used it as a good chance to reset and really target this week and the next couple of games.
So you talked about momentum. Of course, we left off with a very good victory at home with one of the strongest teams in the league. Back to back, we have a top game, first against the second, with a very strong side. It's just Petrarca. What team do you expect to find in Padova? What is your idea about Petrarca?
Oh, I think they're going to be our biggest test, our biggest challenge this year to date. Obviously, you don't have to be a rocket science to work out that the elite side is not playing this weekend. So we're picking that there's going to be a number of players who are going to be dropping down to get game time, get minutes. So I think we're going to be facing a very strong side this week. They've got a strong set piece, a good kicking game, and a good defence. So they're going to be, like I said, our biggest challenge this year.
So on the technical side, what do you expect on the pitch? Do you expect the ball to go fast? Do you expect more of a physical game? How did you see them?
Oh, I think it's going to be a contrast of styles. I think they're going to come with a lot of physicality and look to maul us and really line out drive a lot, and be strong defensively and play the pressure game and play territory and try and squeeze us. We'll try to keep the game at a pace that we want to play at. So it'll be interesting. The breakdown is going to be really critical in that.
One last question about the table, about a game like this. We said it's a very important game. It's probably the hardest to date. How are you preparing it mentally for the boys? And do you think that a game like this will give us some more information, some more ideas of what we are and what we're doing in this championship?
Yeah, absolutely. It'll give us a real good gauge if we're genuine contenders for later in the season. But it is very early, so we've still got time to grow and improve throughout the year. But certainly, this is our first big test. I think if we are really realistic about wanting to play Serie A elite next year, so we'll get a good measure of that on Sunday.
Perfect. Thank you, Coach.
Grazie.